Eating with Donald by my side. Today is Monday, 4 August 2025. I'm Tanis Coralee of Seattle, and this is Donald on the Ellen Degeneres show. And it was the screenshot of a screen grab from a video on the Ellen Degeneres show channel. They said the aired date was 27 February 2004, so over 20 years ago. And for this dining with, I have a Franz English muffin type original with some barbecue sauce, French cheese, and a fried egg seasoned with salt and pepper. And so here we go. I thought I would highlight this one because while it was initially aired back in 2004, it was uploaded and published on the Ellen Degeneres YouTube channel more recently. And I was like, I like that. I like that she went back and was like, you know what? Whether people love or hate Donald, I got it right. Honeys. Back in 2004. She saw this guy. I was like, I'm going to include him on my show. I'm going to bring him in. And she did that. You know, not everybody did that. I didn't do that. Right? So, if we want to say or applaud her ability to pick people who go on to do even more and or greater things than they do, the positive legacy of the show, she got it right. Yeah. So this is like a mix. So he's talking about The Apprentice on this interview, and I grew up watching The Apprentice. So this aired in 2004, this interview. I was born approximately in 1993. And I watched like a bunch of seasons of The Apprentice, and The Celebrity Apprentice. I remember being in the minority that Piers Morgan should win. And then Piers Morgan won. That was The Celebrity Apprentice. I can say at no point in my life have I ever hated Donald. I think on some level, he's kind of registered as like a home presence, a household presence. For a good chunk of my existence, over 20 years, and I'm approximately 32 years of age. So, over 21 years. So that's over 2/3 of my life. Who's been present? There, we got balance to talk about Ellen DeGeneres and Donald. And I do have to say, as someone who with a sexual orientation of asexual, I appreciate Ellen DeGeneres. I appreciate her presence in the talk show arena and being open about not being a heterosexual. We could call that sharing is caring. But thank you for joining. I gotta clean my fingers up. I'm supposed to hold that phone. Turn that. Stop phone. Thank you for joining Donald and Tanis and Donald for this dining with.